I'll do a quick vid on these. I get a lot of questions. All right, these seats are the seats you're going to find in the AMCs, 70 to 74s, or excuse me, 70 to 72s. Usually Javelin AM Maxes, you'll find them in the Matadors, you'll find them as their buckets. Now this is pretty much standard. They call these the Turtlebacks. All right, come off really easy. A lot of guys don't know, okay? They come off real easy, but they're kind of freaky. That's the screw right here, and they are muggers. Make sure you have, really the seats out is best, so you can get a good grip on them. If not, you're only this far away from it to get a screwdriver in there while it's in the car, and you will twist it off and it won't come out real nice and you end up breaking. But anyway, you have two of them, one on this side, one on that side. Phillips head screwdriver into here, okay, when you're seating these. All right, that pulls this out, takes this off, seat back comes off, and you end up with this. Now, once you get there, you won't have the back on anymore, and the linkage basically works like this. You put your knob back on, and when you twist, you pull this lever, pulls down onto the rod down to here, and it releases accordingly from here, so that the seat will then fold forward. Yeah. One time, real quick. Again, seat folds forward. This latch here catches in here. There you go.